about you, but I feel like I've been waiting 4 months for this. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. I'm out here riding around with the fellas. We're on our way to PA. We're making our return to the Sarah Street Grill. I'll put all the info right here. This is such a nice ride. I'm gonna make 2 videos out of this. Oh my goodness. Pedal forth, my child. Bend over and show the world thy buttocks, spandex spotted. Do it proudly. The more I ride this 2025 Indian Challenger with the Power Plus 108, the more I love it. I'll be loving when all the leaves are back and we have some color. It's almost 70 degrees. I mean, you wouldn't get that from the way the sky looks, but it's a beautiful day out. Beautiful day. And everybody knows, boy, we earn it after this winter. You know, usually we'll push through in December and get, 2 or 3 rides in. Mid to high 40s, we're out. We got snow pants and heated gloves and all that good stuff. But nope. We went out the week after Thanksgiving, and then the next week it was 6 degrees and windy. And I blame Mo for that. That's right, Mo, I blame you. Oh my God, I love this road. Give you a name if I can. We've had some pretty awful luck with getting stuck behind vehicles, not wanting to go the speed limit and such and such. This is County Highway 620. I believe that said Sussex. I guess the question on everybody's mind was, when I went to meet these guys, did I stop and get coffee and beef jerky? You betcha. It just isn't a ride without the breakfast of champions. Coffee and Chomp's beef jerky. Preferably the jalapeno. Today I had to settle for the red one. Rock Island. That place looks cool. I'll have to put it on the list. Tell you, for stock exhaust, Indian really nailed the tone. I mean, even if they didn't with both brands, that's easily fixable. It's just getting more and more expensive. I was looking at mufflers for this, the Chromeworks Warhammer. Holy crap, like, when did this happen? And that's not even a full exhaust. I'm like, oof. I don't think I'm doing a full exhaust. I just think I'm doing mufflers. Bike's got more than enough power and I'm happy with it. And being I'm all over the place. Watch, you'll see in the video when it's finally installed. Yeah, so I got the full exhaust and ordered the ultimate seat for this mid-rider. Gonna be psyched to get that bad boy. Man, this bike really likes to get up and go. It's a different kind of get up and go. It's not Big Sheila get up and go. It's midlife crisis mobile get up and go. 15 at all costs, friends. All costs. It's kind of like the Route 46 upgrade package as far as having traffic lights are concerned and none of them being timed correctly. But yeah, all in all, this is Route 620. Here's a snore. If you like my videos, if you'd give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. I am on YouTube and Rumble now. My videos drop on the Tube 3 p.m.-ish Wednesday and Friday, and on the Rumble 3 p.m.-ish Friday. I hope you guys will consider coming back and watching another video next week on one or both platforms. I'll see you, friends.